Back to working with the Bolens here. Has a little bit more throw than the Sears, that's for sure. Still over top the chute on this guy. But yeah, that's a much farther throw than the Sears. I got a dual stage snowblower I'll be installing on this next year. Oh, she's almost getting stuck. I'm spinning. Oh yeah. A little messy there. Yeah, the U-joints aren't in the best shape, so I don't really want to rev the shit out of her more than I need to, so. I'm going to attempt the back trail, I think, with her. I don't have that much gas in it, but I think I'll still attempt it. If I could turn to go that direction. I want to hit it with a pretty straight line, so. Getting stuck, can't get it. Even I've got chains on it now too. Oh. Trying to kind of open this up a little bit better. I'm not too worried about this trail. It's the one at the back that I really want done. Okay. See how long this is going to make it. The snow has settled a bit. I had more traction with the Sears. Same tires, it's weird. Take a little bit longer. I might add, I don't have much gas left in her either, so. Oh, she don't like going through here. To do this one, to walk behind. Yeah, I'm not getting enough traction. I'm just spinning, even with the chains. I'm just spinning. I'm not going to be able to film it. It's going to be just as hard, but I'm pretty sure the Sears would have went through this a lot easier. Should check my gas levels a little bit. I added some stuff there to protect the positive, but not too bad. Okay, I'll let you know if I get it through.